AI is changing the way people study, work, create content, and run small businesses.
So please don't be intimidated. These tools are literally built to empower you, not replace you.
Today, we're covering 5 crucial skills: prompt writing, summarizing, content creation, learning with AI, and simple automation.
Skill 1, prompt writing. It's basically just giving crystal clear instructions to get the absolute best result. Second is summarizing. Seriously, why read a massive document for hours when AI summarizes it instantly?
Third up is content creation. AI drastically speeds up your drafting, zero technical skills required.
Like, just tell it to draft a friendly email to a new client. It's truly that effortless.
Skill 4, learning. You got to think of AI as your own personal digital tutor for literally anything. Use it to break down complex math, practice a totally new language, or just brainstorm fun ideas.
Finally, simple automation. Receive an email, let AI draft the response, then you just review and send.
See? These skills totally enhance and assist your daily workflow. It doesn't have to be complicated.
The AI revolution is already here, guys. Mastering these 5 simple skills puts you directly in charge.
Check out LearnFree.org today for extra guidance. What will you build when AI does the heavy lifting?